Ever wondered what the top dogs in the dropshipping world are doing right? Like really right? You see those Oberlo stores raking in the sales, the ones with products constantly flying off the virtual shelves. What's their secret sauce? Are they just lucky? Or is there a method to their madness? Let's be honest, starting and scaling a successful dropshipping business isn't a walk in the park. You've probably spent countless hours researching products, tweaking your store design, and trying to figure out the magic formula for driving traffic. And while hard work and dedication are crucial, sometimes you need a little peek behind the curtain. You need to understand what's working for others in your niche, not to copy them, but to gain valuable insights and inspiration. Think of it like this. Imagine you're a chef trying to create the next best-selling dish. Wouldn't you want to see what's popular in other successful restaurants? What ingredients are they using? How are they presenting their food? It's not about stealing their recipes, but about understanding the current culinary landscape and identifying opportunities to innovate and create your own unique masterpiece. The same principle applies to dropshipping. By strategically observing other Oberlo stores, you can uncover a treasure trove of information that can significantly boost your own success. We're talking about identifying trending products before they become saturated, understanding effective marketing strategies, analyzing pricing models that actually convert, and even getting a feel for the kind of customer experience that keeps buyers coming back for more. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear. We're not talking about any shady or unethical practices here. We're talking about smart, strategic research, the kind of research that successful businesses in any industry undertake to stay competitive and innovative. It's about learning from the best, adapting those learnings to your own unique brand and vision, and ultimately carving out your own path to success. So, how exactly do you go about this strategic observation? It's not about hacking into anyone's backend or accessing private data. Instead, it involves using publicly available information and a keen eye for detail. Think of yourself as a business detective, piecing together clues to understand the winning strategies of your competitors. One of the most obvious places to start is by simply browsing. Identify Oberlo stores in your niche or related niches. Pay attention to the products they are featuring prominently on their homepage and in their new arrivals section. What kind of products are they? Are they solving a specific problem? Are they visually appealing? What are their price points? Don't just look at the products themselves. Delve deeper into their product descriptions. How are they positioning the product? What benefits are they highlighting? What kind of language are they using to appeal to their target audience? Are they using scarcity tactics or social proof? Next, explore their website design and user experience. Is their store easy to navigate? Is the layout clean and professional? How is their product photography? Do they have clear calls to action? A seamless and trustworthy website is crucial for conversions, so analyzing what works for successful stores can give you valuable insights into optimizing your own. Pay close attention to their marketing efforts as well. How are they driving traffic to their store? Are they running Facebook or Instagram ads? If so, what kind of creatives are they using? What kind of messaging are they employing? You can often get a glimpse into their advertising strategies by actively engaging with their social media pages and seeing what ads pop up in your own feed. Furthermore, take a look at their social media presence in general. How often are they posting? What kind of content are they sharing? How are they engaging with their audience? Are they running contests or giveaways? A strong social media presence is often a key driver of brand awareness and customer loyalty. Another often overlooked area is customer service. While you can't directly interact with their customers, you can look for clues about their customer service approach. Do they have a clear Contact Us page? Do they offer live chat support? What kind of return and refund policies do they have? Excellent customer service is essential for building a reputable and sustainable business. Don't forget to analyze their pricing strategy. Are they priced competitively? Do they offer discounts or bundles? How do their prices compare to similar products on the market? Understanding their pricing model can help you determine the optimal pricing for your own products. Tools can also be your allies in this research process. While Oberlo itself doesn't offer direct spying features, There are various third-party tools and browser extensions that can provide valuable insights. Some tools can help you track product trends, analyze competitor ad strategies, and even estimate their website traffic. However, remember to use these tools ethically and responsibly, focusing on gaining insights rather than engaging in any form of data scraping or unethical practices. Remember, the goal here isn't to directly copy what others are doing. That's a recipe for mediocrity. Instead, it's about identifying patterns of success, understanding what resonates with customers, and then using that knowledge to inform your own unique strategies. Think of it as gathering inspiration and data points to fuel your own creativity and innovation. By consistently and strategically observing other Oberlo stores, you can gain a significant competitive advantage. You'll be able to identify emerging trends faster, refine your marketing strategies more effectively, optimize your website for better conversions, and ultimately build a more successful and sustainable dropshipping business. It's about learning from the successes and perhaps even the mistakes of others to pave your own path to the top. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.